Hello, teacher.
Hello, Duke.
Teacher.
How are you, Duke? Oh, where's your camera? What happened?
No.
Oh, what happened to your camera?
No.
No. Okay, so how are you, Duke?
I am fine.
Okay, that's nice. You are fine. Okay, so Duke, how was your day in school?
I am good.
Okay, that's nice. You are good. So, what did you learn today?
Math, English, white, please.
Okay. So, did you enjoy your day in the school today? Did you enjoy your school today?
I don't understand enjoy.
Enjoy means, were you able to be happy in your school today? Okay, so anyways, Duke, let's begin our lesson for tonight. Oh, I mean activity, because tonight we're having an activity. Okay, so test 3, we are having reading skills. Okay, now Duke, part 1, 5 marks. Example, this is a baby, check. This is a boat, cross. So question number 1, Duke, read and answer.
Please. Okay.
This is a motorbike. Okay, because what is that?
This is bike.
Yes, this is a bike. Next one, number 2.
This is a lamp. Yes.
Next one.
Is it a ruler? Yeah.
How about number 4? Okay, so number 2, this is a lamp, check. This is an eraser, check. This is a door, wrong. This is a ruler, check. Okay, very good, Duke. 5 points. All right, next one. Let's have this. It says here, part 2, 5 marks. Look and read. Right? Yes or no? Okay, so example, Duke. The girl is reading a book. Yes. Number 2, there is a lizard on the mat. Answer is no. Okay, number 1, Duke, read and answer.
No.
Oh, you read first before you answer.
Finish.
Oh, last one.
I finished.
Okay, so read first, Duke. Number 1.
Yes.
Number 1, read first, please.
The boss sitting in the armchair.
Okay, answer is no. Number 2. Number 2, Duke.
I finished.
So number 2, can you read and answer? The frog has got a guitar. What's your answer? Yes. Okay, number 3. There is a doll on the television. Yes. Number 4. The cat under the sofa. No. The girl is wearing a purple shoes. Yes. Okay. So you just got one mistake. Okay. 4 points. Duke, next one. Okay. Look at the picture, look at the letters, and write the words. Okay, so part 3, we have 5 marks. Example, rice. So number 1, Duke, what's this picture? What is on the picture in number 1?
Rice.
No, number 1, Duke.
Meat.
Okay, can you spell meat?
M-E-A-T.
Okay, that is correct. M-E-A-T is meat. Okay, next one, Duke. Number 2.
Carrot. C-A. T.
C-A-T? That's cat.
C. Okay.
You're right. You write your answer. Are you lazy?
C-A-R-R-O-T.
Okay, that is correct. How about number 3?
P-O-T-A-T-O.
Very good. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Number 4. What's that?
Tomato.
Tomato. How do you spell tomato?
T-O-M-A-T.
T? Oh, there's one more letter at the end.
T-O-O-M-A-T.
No, that's wrong. That's wrong, Duke.
So, need.
You said T-O-O.
Okay. Tomato.
Okay, that is correct. And number 5, what is that?
CHICKEN.
Very good. That is chicken. Good job, Duke. All right, 5 points for you. Next one, Duke, let's have this one. It says here, read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. Okay, now, Duke, you're going to read the story and then choose your answers from the box.
Animals stand on my 4 long legs, and I have beautiful long tail too. I see with my 2 black eyes. I like eating lots of things. For example, 3 example. Trời.
For example,
Carrot.
okay, carrots and apples. Next one.
Drink lots of water. In the day, men, women, and children like reading me. What I am? I am a horse.
Very good. What am I? I am a horse. Okay, next one, Duke. It says here, look at the pictures and read the question. Write one word. Okay, example, Duke. How many animals are there? Answer is 3. Now, where is the hippo? All right. Okay, Duke, question number 1. Question number 1.
I don't see the dog.
What is the dog doing?
I don't see the dog.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh. What?
No.
What is the dog doing, Duke?
He is flying.
He is flying. Okay, very good. Next one, Duke. How many monkeys are there?
4 monkeys.
Okay, there are 4 monkeys now. What are they playing with?
Play balloons.
What?
Play balloons.
Is that balloon?
Yeah. A ball?
Okay, that is a ball. Correct. Next one. What is the girl doing?
She is longish.
What did she do?
She
Look at here. She's holding an ice cream, right? The next one, what happened? She gave the ice cream to the monkey, or she's pointing or laughing. Okay, number 5, Duke. What is the monkey eating?
He is eating ice cream.
Yes, he is eating an ice cream. Okay, next one, Duke. All right, so we're finished with the first activity. Now, let's open one more. Wait for me. Okay, Duke, now let's have this one. Okay, now Duke, what's the title of the lesson?
My space.
MySpace. Okay. So, Duke, do you have your own bedroom in your house?
Yes.
Okay. Where? Where's your bedroom?
This.
Ah, that's your bedroom? Is that yours?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So, next one, Duke. This is a story about my room. Okay, now choose and circle the correct word. All right. Can you read the story, Duke? This is my room. Okay, start reading.
Even that is not good.
What? What's that, Duke? I'll read this one. Start with this one. You don't want to read, Duke? Why?
I don't know.
Why? Don't you like to read?
I don't know.
Oh, here. You read the story. This is my room. It is clean today. Next one.
My book.
Hmm.
The book just that.
Oh, wait. You insert, what's your answer? Number one, my?
Book.
Okay, my books.
Under on the bed.
Next one.
In
My clothes are
in
in the closet. Next one. My socks are in the drawer. The boxes are
on under the bed.
okay, very good. Under the bed. Okay, next one, do. Say true or false. Okay, answer the true. Answer if it's true or false. Number one. Ella's room is messy.
True.
Ella's room is messy. What's your answer? True or false?
False.
Her toys are in the basket.
Sure.
Her socks are on the bed.
Face.
False. Okay, correct. Next one, Duke. Let's have vocabulary words. Okay, can you tell me the following, what is on the screen, Duke? What's the first one? Oh, can you read the following words?
Basket.
Next one.
Basket. Desk. Book. Bookcase. Chair. Clothes. Desk. Pillow. Sock.
All right. So where can you see a basket, Duke? Where can you see that?
Basket in my house.
Okay, so you have a basket in your house.
Huh?
You have a basket in your house?
Yeah.
Okay, but we often see that in the supermarket, right? Or in the grocery. Next one, Duke, bed. Now, how many beds do you have in your house?
I have
How many beds? 3 beds. Okay, now, book. So, Duke, do you have plenty of books in your house?
yes.
Very good. So, where is your books? Where do you put them?
There's bookcase.
Okay, it's in the bookcase. How about a chair? Do you have a chair, Duke?
It's a seat.
Okay, is that yours?
Yes.
Now, how about a closet? Do you have a closet?
Yes.
Where's your closet?
Down.
Down. Okay, now, how about clothes? Where are your clothes?
In the house. It's down.
Okay. How about the desk? Do you have a desk or study table?
It.
Oh, that one. Okay. Okay. Next one. How about pillow? How many pillows do you have? Is that your pillow?
No. This 2 kilo.
Okay. How about socks? What's the color of your favorite socks?
Red.
What color?
Red.
Red. Okay. Now, Duke, answer this activity, okay? Choose and write the word. Okay, so you can see words from the top on the box. So number 1, Duke, what is that? What is that?
No.
Number 1,
Close.
claw.
Basket.
That is closet. Let's check later. Tell me if you're finished.
Next. La 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 la.
Are you finished?
No. Six.
Mm-hmm.
6.
Number 6, what's that?
I don't know. This.
I saw the correct answer in number 6, but you put it in a wrong number. answer is number 1 is wrong. Or maybe you can change that.
No, this. This is
Okay.
dog.
Oh, how about number 6? What's that?
Hello. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know.
How about 7?
Mhm. Yeah.
Okay.
But I choose.
This one is number 6. Look.
Bed, the bed.
Oh, this one is number 6. It's pointing here.
Okay. So.
All right, finish, Duke. Okay, let's check your answers, Duke. So number 1, your answer is closet, correct? Number 2, where's number 2? I cannot see it. Okay, number 2, that is clothes. Okay, correct. Number 3, that is bookcase. Oh, what's your answer? Oh, your answer is books. Number 4, that is books. Okay, correct. Number 5, your answer is desk. Okay, correct. 6, stocks. 7, chair. 8, basket. 9, pillow. 10 is bed. Okay, you got one mistake, Duke. So that is a total of 9 points. Very good. All right, now, Duke, let's have this one. Word practice. Letter B. Circle the correct word. Okay, so number 1 picture. This room is clean or messy?
Messy.
Number 2, this room is clean or messy?
Clean.
Okay, very good. Next one. All right, let's have grammar practice, Duke. In, on, under. Okay, so where is in, Duke? What do you mean by in?
Huh?
What do you mean by in? Where is in?
In.
In means, I'll give my example.
In the basket is a pencil.
Okay, very good. How about on?
On the deck has a book. Look.
How about under?
Under is my shoe.
Okay, under is your shoes. All right. Wait a minute, Duke. Wait for me.
And down the screen. Ask the girls. On. Under.
Okay, now Duke, let's have this one. Look and write in, on, or under.
I finished.
Oh, how about number 5 and 6? Where's your answer?
I am finished. I finished.
Okay, now, number 1. The books are on the bed. Very good. Number 2. The socks are under the chair. The pillow is on the bed. The clothes are in the closet. The toys are in the box. The cat is under the desk. All right, very good, Duke. Always perfect. Good job. Next one. Did you remember this one, Duke? You have to make sentences.
Yeah.
Okay, now. Number 1. How many sentences can you make with my room?
My room, the pillow, my books, my room, structure. My room is what? Wait. My room is
My room is...
clean.
Okay, next one. What else?
My pillow is on the bed.
Mm-hmm.
The book is on the bookshelf. Okay.
So in number 1, how many sentences did you make in my room?
Six. My room
How many sentences did you make with my room? Okay.
is clean. The pillow is on the bed.
Okay.
The book is on the bookshelf.
Okay, now let's check, Duke. So number 1, the answer is only 1 because the answer is my room is clean. Next one, number 2. I can make 3 sentences. It's my pillow is on the bookshelf. My pillow is on the bed. My pillow is clean. And number 3, you can make 3 sentences with my books. My books are on the bookshelf. My books are on the bed. My books are clean. Okay, very good, Duke. So you're wrong only in number 1. All right, now let's have this word. Look and write the sentences using the correct be verb. Okay, so example, Duke. My room, my books. Okay, now Duke, can you make sentence using my room?
My room is my room is clean.
My room is clean. Very good. Number 2, my books
Is on the desk.
Oh, you look. My books on the bookshelf. So what will be your answer there?
E.
Okay, my books Are you sure is?
In.
My books in the bookshelf. Oh no, the answer is are. You must put are, okay? Next one, number 3, do. My toys. My toys.
Toy.
Look at number 3. My clothes. Oh, here, Doc. Make a sentence using this one. My clothes.
My clothes is in the clothes. My toy is in toy box. It's really under the bed. The bed under the bed.
Okay, my clothes are in the closet. My toys are in the toy box. My shoes are under the bed. And my bag is under the desk. Okay, that's correct. Oh, here you got 5 points because you got one mistake. Okay, next one, Doc. Let's have this. It says here, complete the chart. Write words about your room. Okay, now Duke, make a sentence using the pictures, okay? So number 1 example, my room.
My room is clean.
Okay, my room is clean. Number 2. Make a sentence, just choose a picture from the box.
My room has a book.
Okay, my room has a book. Next one.
My room has a level.
Okay.
My room has a bookshelf.
In the
My room
bookshelf.
has a bed. My room
A
is
bed.
a bed. My book my room is a chair. My pillow has a room. My closet has a room. My sock is a room. Clothes stay room. Box in the room. Basket in the room.
Okay, very good. So all your sentences that you make is correct. So how about messy, Duke? You didn't use the word messy. What sentence can you make using the word messy?
Dirty.
Yeah, dirty or messy. Can you make a word, Duke, using the word messy?
Messy.
My room is messy. What sentence will you make using the word messy? All right. Okay, let's skip this one. Okay, now Duck, let's have this one. This is homework, but let's try to make it. Oh, this is quite difficult, okay? So it says here, look at the previous chart. Draw and write your story. Okay, now Duck. In the box, Duck, can you draw your dream bedroom? Okay, even if it's not very beautiful, can you make your bedroom? Draw it. Okay, draw your bedroom.
Okay.
Okay, so that is your bed. Oh, what's that? What did you draw? Here, is this your bed? Oh, this is your blanket.
Yeah.
And this is your pillow. This is your pillow.
Yeah, no.
Oh, what? That's a chair? Why are you laughing?
Pillow.
Ah, okay, that is a pillow. Okay, now I understand. So this one is your bed, right?
Yeah.
This is your bed. This is your blanket. And this one is your pillow.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, so you like a green bed. You like your bed to be color green?
Yes.
Oh, because wait, I remember a cartoons that's color green. It's Ben 10. Do you know Ben 10?
Yes.
Okay, so Ben 10. All right. So, Duke, we're finished with the activity for tonight.
And it's white.
Okay. Oh, wait. Who's your favorite cartoon character, Duke?
Huh?
Who is your favorite cartoon?
Okay, I like cartoon.
Do you like cartoons of Doraemon?
Huh?
Do you know Doraemon, Duke? Doraemon.
My cartoon is not Doraemon.
Okay.
Ben 10.
Ah, Ben 10. Your favorite cartoons is Ben 10. Okay. All right, Duke. So we're finished with our lesson for tonight. Okay. See you again on Friday, Duke.
Yeah.
Good night.